one of my favorite Patriot Supply products ever. This is a good one. So it's the Patriot Camper's collapsible bin bag. I keep it up here on my trailer so it's completely out of the way, doesn't take up any space at all. You'll notice every person just has a bin bag lying around. It's in everyone's way, it's frustrating, so this is where we came up with this. You can see, flat pack, nice and small. You've got Velcro straps on the side here as well. So we undo those and you'll see that open. It's got peg points. You can peg it to the ground. So if it's windy, you know, or someone wants to take it, move it away, they can't. It's gonna stay secure in the position that you put your bin. Really love that because the kids, they move everything around. This is also not just a bin bag. We use it for a lot of other things as well. So you'll see it's got the PVC lining. You put your washing in there, you can go down to a creek, you can wash all your clothes. You can also use it as an esky. So I like to use really heavy duty bin bags as well. So everyone would know when you're camping, everyone loads the bin full of everything. So if you use, you know, the cheap bin bags, they generally burst open. So there you can see, if you look inside that, I've secured that bin bag inside there. This is a really cool idea. So then you can close this up completely and just open this middle section. We do have the YKK zips on here as well. So if you look in there, nice and easy to put your rubbish into, but also the reason why we came up with this was nighttime. We had a possum once that came in and was going through the rubbish at night. So that was really frustrating. So then we came up with this concept, and then you don't have to fold over your bin bag or anything. You can just zip it up before you go to bed. Or as I said, if you're using it as a cooler, it's great to do that as well. And that is pretty much it, the Patriot collapsible bin bag.